Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to return tickets on SeatGeek. Actually, you can return or get a refund of a ticket. You can't return your purchase ticket, or you can't refund for any ticket just because of SeatGeek doesn't accept any refund or any return request. You can get a clear idea and clear message from SeatGeek themselves from resources and help and center. In their help and center, you just need to scroll down, and from here you can chat with them. You can chat with a representative of SeatGeek, but we are going to visit the FAQ section now. Search here for search here refund, and here it is. The top articles result is, can I change, cancel or get a refund for my tickets for after an order. That you just need to click on this, and after order place you can change it like this. They have said that clearly that since SeatGeek is a marketplace that lets fans of live events buy and sell tickets, we are unable to refund, cancel and exchange tickets, and we are not able to increase or decrease the amount of tickets ordered. That means they cannot give you any refund, or they cannot cancel or exchange ticket, or they even can't increase or decrease the amount of tickets. Now, the from here you can get the clear message from SeatGeek themselves. But if you want to get rid of that ticket, or you just don't want that ticket, or if you can't use the ticket or don't want them anymore, it's the easy to release them on the SeatGeek marketplace. Then someone will buy it and you will get funded for that ticket. Here it is, you can see clearly. And for that you just need to go to SeatGeek sales section, where you can list your ticket. You just need to click on add, and from here you can add your MLB tickets by your team, selected team. You also can get listed with your NFL tickets. You can list your NCAA tickets, and also you can list other tickets that are from another platform. Now you can just drag and drop the PDF file of the original ticket. That's how you can list your ticket on the SeatGeek and get funded. And hope you got this. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.